Thinking about a career in tech? Let me tell you why becoming a Python full-stack developer in 2024 might be the best decision you ever make. What exactly is a Python full-stack developer? It means you're proficient in both the front-end and back-end of web development. You handle everything from designing the user interface to managing databases and server-side logic. Full-stack developers are highly adaptable. You can jump in and contribute to any part of a project. What skills do you need? A solid grasp of Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end. On the back end, you'll want to get familiar with Python, Flask, and MySQL DBA knowledge is a must. The demand for Python full-stack developers is soaring. From startups to tech giants, everyone needs full-stack developers. Your roles can vary, but generally you'll be involved in designing and developing front-end web architecture. You'll work on back-end applications, ensuring responsiveness and efficiency, and handle database management. In summary, becoming a Python full-stack developer equips you with a versatile skill set that's in high demand. If you're ready to dive into the world of tech and make a real impact, consider becoming a Python full-stack developer.